Marja Sisko Ilvessalo Pfaffli was born in Helsinki, Finland on February 25, 1916. She gained her MSc degree from the Technical University of Helsinki in 1943 and started a career that lasted 68 years. There are many famous architects who are known to the public for their cathedrals, castles, skyscrapers, bridges, and other magnificent buildings. However, all such buildings stand on a solid and stable fundament, a masterwork the constructor of which may be known amongst professionals but seldom to the general public. Ilvessalo Pfaffli is an outstanding example of such people. Her work as a fiber specialist has been and still is of fundamental value to the pulp and paper industries. Her career started at KCL in Finland, followed by STFI in Stockholm, Sweden, Wiggins Teep in Scotland, and then back to KCL again. In 1954, she was appointed head of microscopy research of pulp and paper and board at KCL. In her last position at KCL, she held the right to sign officially, per procurum, the fiber analysis documents on behalf of KCL. In 1956, she married Samuel Pfaffli, Licentiate of Technology. The couple had two daughters, Heidi and Elisa. The value of fiber analysis has increased rather than diminished over time. Ilvessalo Pfaffli developed the methodology responding to such needs and making full use of the fascinating development of the scanning electron microscopes that she was able to witness during her long career. She also developed a semi-automatic recorder for the measurement of fiber dimensions. Ilvessalo Pfaffli was merited twice by the Finnish Paper Engineers Association. Here she is receiving the C.J. Janssens Award from the Finnish Paper Engineers Association in 1967. Samples from all over the world were sent for analysis to Ilvessalo Pfaffli, an internationally highly regarded specialist. Formally, she retired in 1981 when she was 65, but for many years continued coming to the Institute every morning in the same manner as she had always done. Here she is shown with colleagues when she retired from her work as a director and head for the Department of Microscopy. Later, Ilvessalo Pfaffli worked privately, concentrating in writing and editing her book, The Fiber Atlas, that can be regarded as a Bible for fiber microscopists. The book comprises 400 pages and 385 figures and is an excellent guide for anybody involved in fiber analysis. It is a masterwork providing information not only on the structure of fibers, but also on the geographic distribution of the relevant tree species. The book covers 29 wood samples from Eurasia, 39 from North America, 16 from the Southern Hemisphere and the tropics, and 34 of non-wood origin. The first edition was sold out long ago, but the second edition would come out soon. Besides the Fiber Atlas, Ilvessalo Pfaffli published a number of papers, gave presentations, participated in permanent and ad hoc working groups, and was mother, mentor, and teacher of several younger scientists, some of whom became her successors. Here she is with former colleagues and lab assistants in 1988, where she continued her research work for more than 20 years after being retired. Ilvessalo Pfaffli was one of the very first prominent women in the conservative masculine world of papermakers. She opened up the field for coming generations of women. In this photo, she is being interviewed by the BBC in 1969 when her department acquired the first scanning electron microscope, also called stereoscan, in Finland. Ilvessalo Pfaffli died on April 3, 2013 in Helsinki, Finland.